Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the AUTOSIRS RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The AUTOSIRS RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System is priced at $109 and is designed to keep RVs, trailers, and campers safe on the road. It delivers accurate tire pressure readings from 0 to 108 psi, helping ensure optimal performance and preventing tire-related issues. The system is compatible with most vehicles and features a tool-free setup, making installation quick and straightforward. The device includes a smart color display that shows real-time tire pressure and temperature readings. It also provides instant alerts for pressure changes, temperature fluctuations, and other potential hazards. Advanced sensors offers durable and reliable performance with long battery life to minimize maintenance. The compact and easy-to-read display making it a perfect companion for travelers, road trips, and camping, giving peace of mind while on the move. Customer reviews on Amazon are mostly positive. Users say it's easy to install and works well across different vehicles. Many appreciate the clear color display and instant alerts for low or high tire pressure. Some noted that the preset low pressure warnings differ between truck and trailer tires, but adjusting the settings resolves the issue. A few customers pointed out that the 108 psi maximum might be too low for certain high-pressure trailers tires, meaning heavy-duty RVs may need a higher range monitor. Overall, people found it reliable, accurate, and helpful for monitoring tire safety on long trips. The AUTOSIRS RV Tire Pressure Monitor System is a reliable, user-friendly tool for RV and trailer owners. It provides accurate readings, durable sensors, and convenient alerts, making it an essential safety accessory for anyone traveling on the road. For those looking to monitor tire pressure and prevent tire-related issues, this system offers good performance and peace of mind. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.